Hey everybody, good morning. Today we're starting a new kitchen renovation here in Holliston, Massachusetts. We are super excited and grateful to be working with our clients again. Last year they actually had us renovate this deck. You might have saw some videos on that. And check out that patio. It is absolutely beautiful. So today is kind of prep demo day. Getting some of the appliances out here. We just had the plumber and electrician walk through, get everything disconnected for us, and we are rocking and rolling. So I'll walk you guys through the space here. Going to be turning this into more of a breakfast nook. This isn't working for these clients. We're actually going to be, well, everything's staying in the location, but no more island. This has not really worked for them. This has been kind of a challenge with having limited space around this whole area. You can imagine it's just been tight to work around this. So we already got the stone out for this, and this island's going. I'm going to be wrapping and just turning this into a peninsula. So this window's going to be moving up, then we'll have a peninsula here. So this will all be nice and open for them, and on the finish they'll have a nice little sitting area on this side with an overhang.